Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be studying algebraic formula, expansion of square, chapter number 14, practice set number 52 we will be completing in today's video. So the first question is 201 AQ BQ. So first we will find the factors for 201, which is 3 into 67. So how are you going to find the factors? So factors you all can factorize and write, that is 201. So 3 you all have to multiply it with 3. 3 6 are 18, 19, 20. So 21 is the number. 3 7s are 21. So what are going to be the factors? 3 into 67, that is what we have to write. Okay, so therefore 21 A cube B cube, how you all have to write? You all have to factors, you all have to write first. Instead of writing 201, 3 into 67 into A into A into A, thrice you all have to write, into B into B into B, again thrice you all have to write. So these are going to be the factors. As the question says, factorize the following expression and write them in the product form. So this is going to be the product form and this is supposed to be the factorization method. I hope it is clear to everyone. Factorization method everyone knows. If in case you all are not knowing factorization method, do let me know in the comment section so that I can explain you factorization method separately. Right before, after watching this video, you all can comment so that it will be easy for me to link the video in this description box. Alright, so let's move on to the second sum now, which is 91xyt square. Okay, so 91, how are you going to find the factors? Again you all have to factorize, that is 91. All right, then 7 you all have to use, 7 stable you all have to use, 7 ones are 7, remaining 2. Okay, 7 ones are 7, 8, 9. So 2 numbers are to be subtracted, and after subtracting 9 from 7 you are going to get 2. 2 you all have to carry forward and the number that you are going to get is 21. So that number you all have to write it over here. Now 7 3s are 21. So what are going to be the factors? The factors of 91 is going to be 7 into 13. So therefore 91xyt square is going to be 7 into 13 into x into y into t into t. So these are the factors that have been written for 91xyt square in the product form. Let's move on to the next sum, which is 24. Okay, now finding the factors for 24, I will show you how you all have to find the factors for 24. So let me write the sum first. 24a square b square. Now finding the factors for 24, you have to write it this way. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, then 3 1s are. So what are going to be the factors? 24 is equal to 2 into 12, then 2 into 2 into 6, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So these are the final factors that you all have to write. So this method and this method is one and the same. You all can follow any one, and therefore you all have to write 24a square b square, which is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into a into a into b into b. Now the last sum is going to be tr square s cube, which is t into r, because there is no number, so you all can directly write it in the product form. So over here the exercise number 52 is over. You all can follow this exercise, and the other exercises have been given in the description box. You all can go and check it. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.